Hey, what's up, my white tea homies? This is Alethea, and I am coming at you with a different kind of Fitness Friday. Last week, I did not upload a video because last week it was just a kind of sedentary week for me. I did work out a couple of days, and I did try to watch what I was eating, but a couple of days I kind of fell short on that. And then this week, it's been kind of a sedentary week as well, and my eating has not been what it should be. I try to be 100% transparent, and when it comes to these fitness vlogs, because nobody asked me to upload them. Y'all, my allergies have been acting up, but anyway, nobody asked me to upload them. I decided to do this myself because I want to keep myself accountable. And when I start to see myself messing up, drifting, doing things that I should not be doing, I know how to put myself in check. I don't need anyone else to put me in check because I know how to put myself in check. So with that being said, you know, I gotta focus. I gotta focus better, and I gotta prioritize, and I gotta, you know, reorganize, so to speak. And as I always tell my students, you know, we prioritize the things we want that are important to us. We make things a priority according to how important they are to us. And I will say that, you know, I have not been prioritizing myself the way I should. Part of that is because I don't care for working out in the mornings. I've tried to work out in the mornings, and I do not care for it. But when I get off, because basketball season has started, you know, and I have had a couple of late days. So when I get off, I have to pretty much get punkin from basketball practice, or Vegas punkin from basketball practice for me, and then we're eating dinner, and then about after that, it's like I don't feel like working out. I'm just gonna be honest, I don't feel like working out. So I just, some days I work out, some days I don't. I did get up and work out one morning, but you know, it's just, it is what it is. And so what I'm going to have to do is just start getting myself up in the morning time and working out, because it looks like the evenings are not going to work for me during basketball season. The evenings are just not going to work for me when it comes to working out, due to picking up punkin, or even right now just staying after school, trying to help some students get themselves caught up, as well as trying to get myself caught up with grading and stuff like that. So yeah, this week I haven't had a whole soda, let me put it that way, but yes, I had one Coke that I drank the entire thing of, and a couple of times, like when Babe has a Coke or something like that, I'll take a sip or two, and I try my best to stay away from sodas, but that has not been 100% the case. Also, you know, like I said, some of my eating has not been on point, and I need to make sure that I, you know, get that back on point. And like I said, I can put myself in check. I have people, I had a colleague at work. If you watch my other channel, please go over there and subscribe and watch my my video. I posted a video yesterday. It was a get ready with me, and I was talking about how one of my coworkers, my colleagues, did something that, you know, I just did not appreciate. And but I don't want to repeat and talk about it on this video when I've already talked about it on that video. So go and check that out, and you know what I'm talking about. So I've had that incident to happen, but you know, I know how to, like I said, once I feel myself going astray from what I need to be doing, I know how to put myself back in line, and that's what I have to do. I have to put myself back in line and prioritize. And today, I'm not even gonna lie, I was so tempted to eat something that I should not have been eating, but I said, no, Alethea, no, you cannot do that. So next week, I will definitely be up with a regular Fitness Friday, showing you me working out, and I'm going to try to incorporate more of my food in there. Today is Friday, and usually on the weekends, I kind of get a little bit relaxed, so to speak, and I probably will, but I am going to watch what I eat. And usually on the weekend, I don't work out, but I think I am going to work out tomorrow. I know I'm not going to work out on Sunday. I just don't, yeah, I don't think I'm going to work out on Sunday, but I know I'll be working out tomorrow, even if it's just like a 30-minute to 1 hour walk on the treadmill. I'm not saying I'm about to go hard in the paint, but I had to be active, because one of the things that I know about myself, and I can't speak for anyone else, but I do know I have to stay active in order to maintain a weight loss, in order to maintain my weight, whether I'm losing any more or just to maintain. I have to work out. Of course, to lose more, I have to work out. I have to be moving. I can't live that sedentary lifestyle. My metabolism is just not set up for that. And that's something that I know, and that's something that I have to take into account. So with that being said, you know, I do have a video that I do have in mind that I would like to make on some things and some changes that I've noticed since losing over 100 pounds. So I do have that coming up, as well as like I said, the next Fitness Friday will be a regular Fitness Friday vlog, video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. I didn't even weigh myself this morning. I did not. I was like, no, just don't even do it. Early in the week, I weighed myself, and I weighed 196. And the last video I made, I'm not sure how much I weighed. I will definitely weigh myself next Friday. So I didn't today, but I do hope you all will continue to stay tuned for these Fitness Friday videos, as well as, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, as well as check me out on my other channel. And yeah, so please leave a comment below with any suggestions that you may have, anything that you do to help you with your weight loss if you're on a weight loss journey, or anything that you do to help get yourself back on track when you see you're getting off of it, or you know, just any words of encouragement or anything like that that you would like to leave below, without trying to tell me how to live my life. Well, so with that being said, I hope you all do have a great weekend, and until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.